to get a chicken question. What was that? Which way, guys? Which way do you think I should go? I'll just go forward and try to look for a chicken. This is ridiculous, guys! Okay, I'm still moving. Got blood on my hand, so that's... Wait, there's one. There's another. There it is. We got him! That's it. Try to hide from me. You can't hide from the camera. Whoa, where's... Oh God, it's chicken heaven in there! It's chicken heaven in there! Oh, chickens are so great! Oh wow, look at those tail feathers. Damn it, look at it. Oh wow. God, yeah, shake it. Yeah. Okay, this is a little awkward. Oh, there he goes. There he goes, chicken man.